take over my business. Now, God has taken over about to do in our lives. But hear this. In 2 Chronicles chapter 13, we are going to do some prophetic, 13 to 15. And the over cause an ambushment to come about 9 them so prepare before Judah. An ambushment was behind them. Look at verse 14 carefully. And when Judah looked back, and what the battle was before, and then I say, look for it, I don't think about it. And the cry of the Lord, and the wind sounded. By this shout, battle before me, battle before me, shoulder. You shout them there from your heart. You don't just shout anyhow. You say, yeah. You keep on shout of victory. You shout of victory. It's a universal language. So that's the universal language. You are going to shout it, not just shout it for fun. Battle behind, but this shout, scatter them. Go ahead in the name of Jesus. God will give everyone genuinely quality service from now. I am more. That is so easy to do. Are you there now? But that is. We are meeting tomorrow about 5 p.m. That is the last night. And the last night is always the greatest night. If there's going to be a long session tomorrow, come with your wife as the last night. Tell them your family members to be the last night. So they can carry money and pay for the 24. Is that clear? The morning every sick you don't get school. And God bless every one of us. Nobody will be a victim. I only said everything so. That's a question for my friend. And God is. Say to your neighbor no money. Say one more time. Say examine 3 important things about the close.